Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to unsubscribe from Audible on Android. So if you open your Audible on your Android and you find on your profile, you wouldn't find any option of unsubscribe your trial or maybe your regular subscription on here. You wouldn't find it since it's not there. So what you have to do, like this, you have the manage membership. You couldn't quit or unsubscribe from that. What you have to do, you open your Google Play. Over there is an option of unsubscribe on the settings. So open your profile here and then click payment and subscription, and then find here subscription. And then for me, I've done canceled the Audible since I just want the trial version. And then for you, just click the Audible and then find the unsubscribe option over here. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.